Demystifying complex ideas, in layman's terms, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel a phrase you've probably heard before, in layman's terms. This phrase is a key to unlocking complex ideas, making them accessible to everyone. So, if you've ever been puzzled by technical jargon or complex concepts, you're in the right place. In layman's terms, is a phrase used to describe the simplification of complex, technical, or specialized information into language that can be easily understood by someone without expert knowledge in that field. It's like translating a difficult book into a language you speak fluently. The goal is to make the information accessible to all, regardless of their background or level of expertise. The term, layman, has its roots in the church, where it was used to distinguish regular parishioners from the clergy. Over time, it evolved to mean anyone who is not an expert in a specific area. When we say, in layman's terms, we're essentially saying, in the language of the non-expert. Using in layman's terms can be crucial for effective communication, especially in education, healthcare, technology, and many other fields. It ensures that information is not just shared but also understood. This approach fosters inclusivity, allowing everyone to participate in discussions and make informed decisions. To explain something, in layman's terms, start by identifying your audience and what they already know. Then, break down the complex ideas into simpler parts. Use analogies, examples, and everyday language to make the concepts relatable. Avoid jargon, or if you must use it, clearly explain what it means. Remember, the aim is clarity and understanding. Let's put, in layman's terms, into practice. If you're explaining the concept of gravitational waves to someone without a physics background, you might say, gravitational waves are like ripples in a pond that are caused when a stone is thrown into it. But these ripples are in the fabric of the universe, caused by massive objects like black holes colliding. And there you have it, folks. In layman's terms, is your tool for making the complex simple and the intricate accessible. We hope this video has shed some light on how powerful and important this phrase can be in our daily communication. Remember, the goal is to share knowledge in a way that everyone can grasp and benefit from. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.